So the artwork for today, it's gonna be this bad boy. I call it Heartless Skull. Not gonna lie, I was listening to the Weeknd song called Heartless, and I got the idea from that. The skull mask was something I wanted to try. My old Halloween art had like an environment, and the skeleton wasn't at all like customized. I would like to redeem myself with this Halloween event special. Well, anyway, today I'm just gonna look through references that I have in mind. So one of the things that I'm going to search is a skull, obviously. I'll just look up skull in Pinterest, and then I'll see if there are any cool images. Okay, let's type, I don't know, skull design. Well, not tattoo design, just design. What will I get? Okay, I don't think I'll be able to do this stuff. Yeah, so basically I just go to Pinterest and I stay here for almost an hour. Okay, I try not to, but usually that's the case. Let me put the lights up. Boom. Is it better? I hope so. So the skull, his heart, it's going to be empty. And I've seen that kind of art before. So that's what I'm gonna try and do. Thank God I'm gonna use every single software that I know. And I'm gonna see if I can make this before the 31st of October. So let's begin with the concept. So there are times when I'm not in the mood to use the drawing tablet, so I start using paper instead. So the skull is obviously going to be in his face, and then the background, it's just going to be graphic design basically. He's going to have a red suit. I don't know if I should give him hair. Hair is one of the worst things you can actually do in 3D. Drawing initially is not my strongest suit. What the plan is going to be is use manipulation inside Photoshop. Inside ZBrush they have preset models that you can use, and so I began sculpting the man's head into a skull. A skull usually has a lot of patterns, and these patterns will kinda guide me as I'm sculpting, and as well my PRF folder. So basically this is all the references that I use whenever I need to do some sculpting. I was able to finish sculpting, and thank God it only took 2.5 hours. So the next thing that I had to do was just use Keyshot. Keyshot helps you render anything super fast, and it has been my go-to software for some time now. So the skull mask was customized. Materials for Keyshot have been used as well. So what needed to be done now was to find someone worthy for the mask. Let me introduce Nicolas Cage. Oh my God, not gonna lie, I wish I was able to put him in, but sadly he didn't have a red suit. So I just found some guy on the internet. I just wanted to put that scene in Ghost Rider. I'm sorry about that. So for the final touches, I gave a full makeover. His hair gone. I gave him different hair, and as well, this is the point where I try to make the photo manipulation decent. Since I'm not so good at, making, well, painting in general. I'm not the best at painting, and I'm not too confident. So yeah, I think I'm done. I finished all the tasks that I set myself. I really do like the artwork. So for the next video, I don't know what I'm going to do. For the first time, I'm going to say this: stay safe at Halloween. Yeah, I'll leave now. I swear, this endings, I really don't know what to say. But thanks for watching.